3.4 slope-intercept form of a linear equation. Learning objective: use the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. 2. Graph a line using its slope and a point on the line. 3. Write an equation of a line using its slope and any point on the line. 4. Graph and write equations of horizontal and vertical lines. Do now. Find the meaning of the following vocabulary and concepts. Please take 2 minutes to find the meaning of those words. Yes, what are you saying? Okay, so you already know this meaning, right? Okay, let's move on. Now you have classwork, right? This classwork, you need to find the meaning of those words, right? All right, let's go for the general rule. It said concept: writing and graphing equation of a line. Slope-intercept form: y equal mx plus b. I already gave you this. So here we say m is what? M is the slope, and b is going to be 0, comma b. That's what the y-intercepts. Is this clear? Points. This is another formula. So this is the first formula. Second formula is y minus y1 equal m x minus x1, and this is called what? Point slope form. The first one is slope intercept form. The second one is point slope form. Okay. M is the slope. X1 y1 is a point on the line. Is this clear? Now let's take an example from here. Write an equation in a slope-intercept form of the line with the slope 2 and y-intercept 0, negative 5. So which formula should I use? The first one or the second one? The first one. Why? Because I have the slope. How much the slope? And how much is b? Minus 5. So I use the first one. Y equal mx plus b. And you just substitute the values. Next one. Write an equation of a line with a slope -½ through -4 and 5. Now, is this a b or a regular point? Regular point. It's not y-intercept. So in this case, which formula should I use? So y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. And then you substitute the values. You put the m here, and you have the point. This is x1, y1, and substitute this, multiply, and at the end you get the equation. Is this clear? Yes. Any questions? Now, one more thing, it's important that you know, this is called, sometimes he ask for standard form. Write in standard form. So how can you write in standard form? This is how it looks like. Ax plus by equal c. The constant is on the right side. Is this clear? Clear? Yeah. Let's take, now we'll start the lesson now. He is asking you to identify the slope and the y-intercept. Very easy. What is the slope here? How much? -1. -1. So m equal -1. And what's the y-intercept? 11. No, not 11. 0. 11. Yalla, what's the slope here? I'm sorry. What's the slope here? Who can tell me? 1/4, correct. And what's the y-intercept? Yes, 0, negative 3 over 8. What is the slope here?
-6.
Minus 5. And what is the y-intercept? One or 0? So the point is 0, 0. Okay? Because it's not there, right? Graph the equation of line using the slope and y-intercept. How much is slope here?
-2.
And what's the y-intercept? 0, negative 4. Now I'll graph it here. So we said what? 0, 0, negative 4, right? So 0 is here. 1, 2, 3, negative 4. So the point is here. And how much the slope? Over what?
Over 1.
So if it's negative, where should I go? Left or right? How much left? How much you say? Negative 2 over 1. So this is rise and this is a run. Rise, let's rise. Yalla, count with me. Rise up or down?
Up.
Down. So let's count together. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Correct?
Yes.
Because it's negative. And the run? Right or left? Right. So here. So the point is here. How much is this? Negative 6. And this what? 1. So your point is what? 1, negative 6. Okay. So now if you want to graph this, how to graph it? Yalla, do it with a ruler, okay? If you do it with a ruler, it will come correct. Easy? Can you do it? Can you do the second one by yourself? Let's see how smart you are. First, you have to find what? How much is M? Second, YA intercept. And then the first thing you start with what? Number 1, you start with the point, right? Number 2, you go rise and A run. So first thing is the point, and second thing is the slope. Easy? Finish? Okay, so I'll leave it to you to do it, okay? And you have another one here as well to do it. Also this one, same thing, right? Here, this one is new, right? I need someone to read. Who wants to read? Who wants to read? Yes, go ahead.
Writes an equation in slope-intercept form, if possible, of the line passing through the given point and having the given slope.
Okay, he wants you to write the equation, right?
Yes.
Type. The first thing you have to ask yourself, that's the first question. Number one, is this B?
Yeah.
Well, a regular point.
No, no, B.
B. Is this B or regular point? Is this slope here? I'm sorry, the point here. This one. Is this B or regular point?
Regular.
Okay, the second one, the last one. Oh, we don't have last one. Okay, so I'll do one and you do the others. Okay, just very easy. I just write down y equal, the slope is how much? -5/6 x plus, well, minus 5. That's it. That's your answer. Easy. What about the one in the here, this one? Now this one needs a lot of work. Why? Because I have to do it like this. Y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. You remember we have two formula, right? So how much is x1? And how much is y1? And how much the slope?
It doesn't matter, it's just y equals -4.
So this, the whole thing multiplied times 0, right? So the whole thing is what? 0, right? So if I move 4 to the other side, it's going to be what? So that's, what type of line is this? What type of line? Is it horizontal line or vertical line?
Vertical.
Horizontal. You're going to ask why? Because if you have the graph like this, right? And what is -4? -4 where? Up or down?
Down.
So -4 is down. So you're going to make the line going through what, like this. That's the line. Y equal -4. That's why it's a horizontal line. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Because you are working with the y-axis, right? Clear or not clear?
Yeah.
If you understand, raise your hand. Okay? Understand? All right, let's move to he's giving you the point x1, y1, and he said the slope is undefined. If you remember, the slope undefined when? What is the shape? What shape? Is it vertical or horizontal?
صح. The vertical.
Vertical line, right? Like this, right?
Yes.
So it's a vertical line.
Okay.
So the point here is what? 1 and -1. Where is the point here? 1. 1 is here. -1 where? Here. So is it going to be like this or like going to be like this? Yes. It's going to up and down. Please graph it on your paper now. Easy as easy?
Yes.
That's fun. Thank you for asking that question. Solving system of linear equation by graphing, 4.1. Learning objectives. Decide whether a given order pair is a solution of a system. 2. Solve linear system by graphing. 3. Solve special system by graphing. 4. Identify special system without graphing. Do now. I need you to look into the meaning of those words, into the internet, with the vocabulary and the concept, all right? So you spend some time to look into the meaning here. You write the meaning in Arabic and English, okay? All right, let's take a look at the rule. Rules and quick review. When the lines are perpendicular, if they intercept in 1 point. Okay? Basically, they intercept here in 1 point, but there are some graphs that can intercept in more than 1 point. You can have a graph like this, and then the other graph looks like this. So in this case, they intercept in how many points? 2 points, right? But it's limited. Okay. Intercepts. Okay, this graph, of course, this one go like this, and the other one is going like that. So they intercept in 1 point. Now the slope, the intercepts for the x-axis and the y-axis is going to be different for both of them. Okay, and the slope, if you multiply m1 times m2, it will give you negative 1. Now, if the lines are parallel, are they intersecting? The answer is no. The intercept x and y axis, are they the same or different? Different. The slope, is it the same or a different? Same, because it's parallel, right? We're talking about parallel. Overlap, that's the third type. Okay. Intersects. Since the 2 lines, they are on the top of each other, right? So that means what? Infinite number of a solution or points. And the x, y intercept, same. The slope, same. So as you can see, when it's parallel, the slope also the same. Is this clear? This is like a summary, okay? This is the rule. As you can see here, the same thing that I put it on the board. Okay. Now let's take this is classwork. You have to do this. Let's take the first exercise here. Please read, Ya Muhammad. Page 154.
المنسوب بيكون على نفسه مع ماتلاب ولا on paper؟
Whatever you want. Okay, we'll do it by MATLAB. Yalla, mister.
Determine if the ordered pair 2 and minus 3 is a solution.
Okay, so I have x and y, right? All right. So now he's asking you, is this order pair is a solution for this? That's the question. He wants to know. Okay, so this is one line, correct? And this is another line. The easy way to do it is not to solve them and then find the point. No, the easy way is to plug in the point in each one of them. So let's plug for the first one. It's going to be 2 plus 3 negative 3 equal what? Negative 5. 2 times 2, 4 minus 9 equal negative 5. Negative 5. Negative 5. The answer is what? True. Okay, the first one. Now they go to the second one. 7, 2 plus 3 negative 3. Is it equal to 23? 7 times 2, 14, minus 9, equal 23. How much this one?
5.
5. Is 5 equal 23? False. So overall, we say the order pair does not satisfy both equations.
No, Mr. It's true. Because it's 7 times 2 minus 3. Not plus 3.
Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Yeah, I was testing you. Yeah, right. So this one is really is negative. We just copied it wrong, okay? So this is what is going to be what? Plus 14 plus 9? 23. So in this case, the order pair, so in this case, we say it's true, right? The order pair, instead of doesn't, we say satisfy both equations. So it's a solution or not solution? It is a solution.
The order bar?
The order pair. Pair mean, I'm sorry, sometimes my handwriting is not clear. Okay. Yeah, can you do this one? Please do one here. Anyone do, you can do, which one to do? This one, right? The point here is what? 4 and negative 1. Yeah, first time you do it here and second time you do it here. And tell me, is it a solution or not solution?
So,
Yes.
not true.
Not true. Okay. You got the answer? Not a solution. Why? Because it has to be, both of them has to be what? True, right? Okay, I'll leave this to you to do for classwork, okay? Solve by graphing. I have x plus y equal what? 1. So the first thing I need to find the x-intercept. How can I get the x-intercept? We have to set y equal to what? To 0. Okay, so x plus 0 equal 1. So x equal what? 1. Okay, now we find y-intercept. You set what? X equal what? 0. So it's going to be 0 plus y equal 1. So y equal what? 1. Okay, so your point here, before we continue, we need to do the other one, right? The other graph, x minus y minus x equal 3. So x-intercept, what do you do? Y equal to what? 0. So negative x equal what? 3. So x equal what? Negative 3. Y-intercept, what should I do? Let x equal what? 0. So you're going to be y minus 0 equal 3. So y equal what? 3. Is this clear? Clear or not clear? So how many points you have for this one?
1 and
0 and 1. And the second point is what? No, I'm sorry, the opposite, right? The opposite. It's what? Tell me again. 1 and 0, right? Because this one here is 0, this is 1. X here is how much? 0. And the answer here is what? 1. Now, what about the second one? What's the point here?
minus 3 and 0.
Minus 3 and 0.
0 and 3.
0 and 3. Now, can we graph this? The answer is yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So we'll make a line like this. Line like this. And let's grab the first one. 1 and 0 is 1 and 0. 1 and 0. So the first point is here. Second point, 0 and 1. So it's going to be here. And then you make the line. Clear? Second line, I'll just choose a different color. Which color you like? Green? Okay. 0 and 3. What is 0 and 3? 0 and 3. Or negative 3 and 0. What is negative 3 and 0? Negative 3 and 0 here. And what is 0 and 3? 0 and 3 where we were? Here, right? So your line will be how the line looks like this. Okay. So where they are intersecting?
Yes.
Yeah, then you say two lines are intersect in one point. So what is the solution point? Solution point is how much?
Minus 1 and 2.
Minus 1 and 2. That's it. Thank you. That's the solution. Easy as easy. Can you copy this?